Hey folks, SharePoint Quester here. Today we'll be configuring a Thesaurus in SharePoint 2010. We have a Thesaurus file for every language we support in SharePoint 2010. We need to build it so that we train SharePoint to associate words with each other. Words that don't necessarily mean the same thing or known to mean the same thing, but we'd like for the search results to be identical for these type of words. For example, I would like to replace searches for W2K with Windows 2000 in my search results. Or I would like to bring back exact same results if I search for MOS or WSS 3.0 or SharePoint Foundation and SharePoint Engine or SharePoint Server 2010. So that kind of replacement, that kind of association of words in search is what we're going to be building here through a Thesaurus file. To do so, first of all, I've created a search center site, and in my example here, I'm going to come in here and say I'm searching for Wave 14, which obviously to me means SharePoint 2010. Nothing comes back. If I do a search for SharePoint, I get a lot of results back. So I want to train SharePoint to understand what Wave 14 means for my end users when they perform a similar search. To do so, we're going to make changes to the Thesaurus file. To do that, we're going to go to C, Program Files, Microsoft Office Servers 14, Data, Office Servers, Applications. We're going to look for GUID-query-0. We're going to go in here, go into the config folder, and then look for tsenu. Right click and edit this file. And what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of the comment in here. And I'm going to get rid of the expansion. This is where you, for example, replace run with jog or expand run with jog. I'm going to do a replacement here. I don't want to do an expansion. And my replacement will say Wave 14 and also Wave space 14 will bring back results just like SharePoint does. And I'm going to go ahead and save this file. And I'm going to start a command line as an administrator. I'm going to net stop my Office Search 14 service. And I'm going to net start my Office Search 14 service. And then I'm going to go back to the search results and I'm going to search for Wave 14. You're going to notice now that we've got 71 results just like our SharePoint search renders back. Because now we are replacing the search for Wave 14 with SharePoint search. This concludes this video. Thanks for listening in.